Hey YouTube, CSI 101 right here, and I'm just going to do a acceleration test on my 2008 Chrysler PT Cruiser. It's got a Airaid intake and a magnaflow exhaust, if I'm not mistaken. So here we go. It's pretty fast. I mean, I can keep up with some of my friends in BMWs going up to about 50. Then after that, their V6 kind of takes over. But sounds pretty good. So I'll do a lot more videos. I just wanted to do a quick acceleration test with the windows closed. But it gets pretty loud. My parents complain that it's a little too loud for their taste. But I like it. It sounds like a muscle car at times. So, see you later.